That award is for International Politician of the Year. Sorry, Gareth, I think it might actually be me. So this award is presented in partnership with the Integration Foundation, and it is the International Politician of the Year Award. And it is my pleasure. You're right. Sorry, Gareth. You're right. I'm wrong. Put the eyebrows down. It's my pleasure to invite the winner here, who is onto the stage with Shri Vijai Sardesai, member of the Legislative Assembly, former Deputy Chief Minister of Goa, and founder president of the Goa Forward Party, to receive this honour. Shri Vijay, please onto the stage. Thank you.
Face me this way. Face me.
I think you just married him.
No, one more. It's fine. Yeah. Good. Just hold, please. Hold more fire. That's it. Thank you.
Shri Vijay sir, would you like to say a few words? Would it be lovely to hear just few words from you? Quick. Yeah, you got bars as well? There's an offer going.
So good evening, all esteemed people around today. When I was thinking about what to speak, I was overawed by the occasion, especially because I'm in politics for quite some time, but to be adjudged the best politician of the year is a very big honor, and I will cherish this, especially because it's in the right place. And I do thank the organizers, especially the members of the esteemed jury who have adjudged me. I would also like to thank my family, my wife, Cher, my daughter Murali, who have had the patience, who have had the understanding, and basically who have extended support to me always to be what I am. But above all, I would like to thank the people of Goa who stood by me with our slogan of Goemkarponn, which in Konkani means Goa, Goan and Goans. Goa is the smallest state of India, but it makes up much in being a very liberal, inclusive and a very progressive state of the country. We have a very distinct identity which we have maintained through a historic opinion poll. This is the only referendum in modern Indian history. A referendum where we maintained our distinct identity, our way of life, and from then onwards it's always been a struggle for us Goans to see that we protect our land, our culture, our tradition and our identity. So that way, for us Goans, this honor is very much important. It is important because we are espousing the politics of being vocal for local. But at the same time, this honor is not only a personal honor for me, it's an honor for the people of the state. It is for those people who have been trying to maintain our identity, maintain our uniqueness. And especially in these times, it's quite difficult, but we still do it. And in this the House of Parliament, we have the founding fathers of our Indian Constitution adopted this Westminster model of parliamentary democracy. So it is in this very great place that several democratic institutions have been established all around the world. So here we would like to I would like to raise an issue that touches a predominant section of the Indian diaspora, especially Goan origin people. The issue of dual citizenship. We Goan citizens who have been ruled by the Portuguese have got a chance to take up Portuguese citizenship, but it has to be at the cost of relinquishing the Indian citizenship. So it's a conflict of identity and opportunity. If through this such a great House of Parliament where we can have statesmanship as well as dialogue that protects India's interests at the same time meets the aspirations of the Goan people, I think we'll have achieved a lot, and this award also would be actually giving a big solution to a very big issue. I'm espousing this especially because it is important that we keep espousing this. We have done this in the past, and that's why we've got the opinion poll, the referendum, which so many other states in India tried it. They haven't got it. We have got it, so we also need to espouse this. I think it's in the interest of the diaspora also. So I'm very happy, and I thank the organizers once again. It is a very memorable event. I will always cherish this, and I do hope that this recognition is not a culmination of my effort, but basically an encouragement to fight for Goa and its Goanness and our distinct identity. So thank you very much, and thank you once again for this honor. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.